Everyone has got less today notes I have sent. Did you see?
Good morning, ma'am.
Did you see the notes that I have sent you? Yes, good morning, beta. Yes, beta, did you see the notes that I have sent you? हाँ बेटा, किसी ने नोट्स देखी जो मैंने आज भेजी?
Yes, ma'am.
सबने?
Lesson 9 की ना?
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. देख ली.
Okay, so
मैम मेरी
see that.
सोशल की वर्बुक कंप्लीट है
अरे
पूरी.
वाह अहद. अहद आपने सोशल
हेलो
के.
मैम.
हाँ बोलो बोलो बेटा.
हेलो मैम.
हाँ.
मैम मेरी सोशल की लेसन नंबर 3 की पीडीएफ ही नहीं खुलती है.
सब
ओपन ही नहीं
ખુલતી
होती है. WPS ऑफिस डाउनलोड कर બધું ખુલશે.
Okay.
બધું ડાઉનલોડ કરી લીધું પેપરમાં ન ખુલી. તો પછી
બધાને ખુલી જાય છે બેટા.
मैम डाउनलोड ऊपर डाउनलोड आता है.
अच्छा. बेटा maybe there is no space in your phone. You
हमारे
put your.
3 फोन में ओपन ही नहीं होता. 3 फोन में किया तो हुआ ही नहीं.
तो फिर आपको आपके फ्रेंड को किसी के पास से ले लेनी चाहिए ना बेटा. अभी तक आपने लिखी ही नहीं है.
ઓફિસ ડાઉનલોડ કરી શફીક.
બધું કરી લીધું. કાંઈ લેબ ઓફિસ ને બધું કરી લીધું.
अरे बाप रे.
ખાલી ઓફિસ બીજું કઈ નહીં. ખાલી ઓફિસ જ સર્ચ કરો એટલે આવી જાય.
કરી લીધું ભાઈ. હલો વાંધો નહીં.
હાલો વાંધો નહીં તો લખીશ કેવી રીતે?
મેં वो तो कर लेगी. हम हो जाए तो कर लेगी. सभी को मोकली देश. એ આ વાંધો નહીં.
પણ પહેલા વહેલા કરજો હા બેટા, કેમ કે પછી
હા.
લેસન 9 મેં આજે મોકલી દીધો છે.
હલો અમન. હા. તારી ફેરબુક માં તું લખેલો છે ને ઈ મોકલજે. એ આ.
ઓકે ચાલો. યસ થેન્ક યુ બેટા અમન ફોર હેલ્પિંગ હિમ.
ઓકે મેમ.
બધાએ આવી રીતના એકબીજાની હેલ્પ કરવાની. ઓકે. એ હેલ્પિંગ એ અલ્ટિમેટલી helps everyone, right?
યસ મેમ.
કાલે see whatever help you are giving to anyone, okay, so it ultimately someone will help you also someday, right? है कि नहीं?
યસ મેમ.
Okay, chalo. Now what were we doing in the last class? लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्या किया था बेटा? बस नो वन रिमेम्बर्स. किसी को याद नहीं है? मेट्रो इसके बारे में किया था. બસ યાદ આવે છે કોઈને કાંઈ એવું? કોઈને યાદ નથી આવતું? હેલો. Boys, can you listen me?
યસ મેમ.
યસ યાદ આવે છે કે આપણે લાસ્ટ ક્લાસમાં શું કર્યું હતું? પછી જો સ્ક્રીન પ્રેઝન્ટ કરીશ પહેલા મને કયો. કોઈને યાદ નથી? બોયઝ, લાસ્ટ ક્લાસમાં આપણે શું લર્ન કર્યું હતું? શફીક, શું સમજ્યા હતા લાસ્ટ ક્લાસમાં? સ્ક્રીન પ્રેઝન્ટ કરીશ તો બધાને યાદ આવશે. કરી દો સ્ક્રીન પ્રેઝન્ટ. કોઈની પાસે ટેક્સ્ટ બુક નથી?
યસ મેમ, મારી પાસે છે.
તો પછી ખોલો.
મેમ મારી પાસે બી છે.
તો પછી ખોલો. ચલો કયો તો મને શું કર્યું હતું આપણે લાસ્ટ ક્લાસમાં? Boys, answer my questions. We completed all this part, beta. Meteors, constellations, and then we started location and shape of the earth. Remember? I showed you this picture. And then we did this also. Now, today we are going to do latitudes and longitudes. યાદ આવે છે?
યસ મેમ.
ચલો રીડ કરો શફીક. શફીક, can you listen me, beta?
What, ma'am?
Yes, read beta latitudes and longitudes.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute. Yes, ma'am. Latitude, longitude. There are vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the Earth's surface. With the help of these imaginary lines, exact time and location can be known. These lines are not there on the Earth's surface. These lines can only be seen on the map. Latitude, the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the Earth's surface are called latitudes. If any point on the surface of the Earth is connected by a straight line to the other center of the Earth, then the line becomes latitude of the point as far as the angle of the center is along the equator. The total number of latitudes are 181.
Very good. There are vertical latitudes and longitudes. Okay. Now, what are latitudes and longitudes? They are vertical and horizontal line. What are they? Okay. Do you know what are lines? You are already learning your math, right?
Yes, ma'am. Line.
So lines किसे कहते हैं?
मैम जो सेगमेंट पॉइंट टू पॉइंट हो.
जो कभी हॉरिजॉन्टल भी होती है, कभी वर्टिकल भी होती है, कभी स्लैंटिंग भी होती है ना?
यस मैम.
है ना? जिसके 2 पॉइंट्स होते हैं. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So there are vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the surface of the earth. Okay? But beta, they are imaginary lines. Okay? Actually, they draw no kareli hoy. They are imaginary lines. Okay? These lines are not there on the earth's surface, but these lines can be only be seen on the map. Where can they be seen? Only on the map. Okay? बट एक लाइंस किस लिए ड्रॉ की होती है बेटा? किसी को आइडिया है? किसी को आइडिया है?
What, ma'am?
Why are
Ma'am,
these lines drawn? Any idea?
ma'am, for knowing the exact time of
Oh,
that
not
area.
only time, very good. Exact time and location can be known. Okay, both the things can be known.
Yes.
What can be known? Exact time,
And location.
yes, can be known with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Okay, now first of all, we'll see what are latitudes. Okay, the horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called latitudes. Horizontal means what? Sleeping lines. Okay, horizontal means what?
Standing
Hor-
line.
no.
Sleeping line.
Ah. Vertical means standing line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but here we are studying about horizontal lines, sleeping lines, and they are called latitudes. Write down in your book. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the earth's surface are called latitudes. Write down fast.
Now it is clear.
Yes. Now, उसके नीचे लिख डालो. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the earth's surface are called longitudes.
Now it is clear.
Yes, read it. What you have written?
The horizontal line on the Earth's surface is known as latitude.
Hmm.
The vertical imaginary line on Earth's surface is known as longitude.
Very good. So, what are latitudes?
The horizontal line.
Huh. And longitude?
Vertical line.
Very good. The vertical lines, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the horizontal imaginary lines are drawn on the Earth's surface are called latitudes. If any point on the surface of the Earth is connected by a straight line, okay, straight line से connected होते हैं to the center of the Earth, then the line becomes latitude of the point as far as the angle of the center is along the equator, right? The total number of latitudes are 181. Okay, is it clear? Now, see
Yes,
in this
ma'am.
yes, in this figure, you can see these are all latitudes. Okay, and the distance between two latitudes is actually 111 kilometers on ground. Now, latitudinal lines. Okay, the east-west circle which are connecting the places found on the earth in the northern or southern hemisphere at equal distance from the equator are called latitudinal lines. Okay, what are they called?
Uh,
Latitudinal lines.
yes,
What
ma'am.
are they called?
Latitude.
Yes, that which run from the east-west circle. Okay. Okay, so but what is the main work of the latitude? You know, anyone knows? It divides the earth into two equal parts. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
the two parts में equal parts में divide करता है earth को. Okay, now longitudes. Okay, what is longitudes? We will see now. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitudes. What are they called, beta? Longitudes. I made you write right now. Remember, no? The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the earth are called longitudes. Okay? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The longitudes meet each other at the poles. Okay? कौन से पोल पे? नॉर्दर्न पोल और सदर्न पोल पे. ओके, यहाँ पे दो पोल्स दिखाए, ऊपर नॉर्थ पोल नीचे साउथ पोल. तो वहां पे वो मीट करते हैं. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? This line come closer to each other while going towards poles. There are total 360 longitudes, among which 0 degree longitude and 180-degree longitude are very, very important longitudes. About 0 degree longitude and 180-degree longitude हम अगले सब lessons में करेंगे. But they are what बेटा? They are very important longitudes. Clear till here? Boys, clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. चलो revise this much which I have explained you.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
बेटा.
Okay. Latitude and longitude. There
Yes,
are
what is your
vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the Earth's surface. What, ma'am?
what is your good name?
Nakviragi Vasan.
Okay, Nakviraj.
Okay, ma'am. Latitude and longitude. There are vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the Earth's surface. With the help of these imaginary lines, the exact time and location can be known. These lines are not three on the Earth's surface. These lines can only be seen on the map. Latitude. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the Earth's surface are called latitudes. If any point on the surface of the Earth is connected by a straight line to the center of the Earth, then line becomes latitude of the point as far as the angle of center is known as along the equator.
Stop. Beta, you are reading like if as you are reading a poem without any pause. Read it again, and wherever full stop comes, have a pause. You are reading very nicely. You have clearance of words, but you are reading continuously fast, as if today you have to catch a bus or a train. So read it again, Basan. Nakiraki Basan.
Okay, ma'am. Latitude and longitude. There are vertical and horizontal imaginary lines on the Earth's surface. With the help of these imaginary lines, the exact time and location can be known. These lines are not there on the Earth's surface. These lines can be seen on the map. Latitudes. The horizontal imaginary lines drawn on the Earth's surface are called latitudes. If any point on the surface of the Earth is connected by a straight line to the center of the Earth, then the line becomes latitude of the point as far as the angle of the center is along the equator. The total numbers of latitudes are 181.
Yes, the total number of latitudes are 181. And the distance between two latitudes is actually how much? 111 kilometers on ground. Okay, how many kilometers?
100 kilometers.
Yes. Chalo, continue with the latitudinal line.
Okay, ma'am. Latitudinal line. The east-west circle connecting the places found on the Earth in the northern or southern hemisphere at equal distance from equator are called latitudinal lines.
Yes, these are called latitudinal lines, right? Yes, continue.
Okay, ma'am. Longitudes. The vertical imaginary lines drawn on the surface of the Earth are called longitudes. The longitudes meet each other at the poles. These lines come closer to each other while going towards poles. These are total 360 longitudes, among which 0 degree longitude and 180-degree longitude are important. Liner circle. The north-south straight line,
Linear.
linear line. The north-south straight line connecting the imaginary surface of the original linear at the Earth's axis at the same angular distance along the Earth's surface is called linear circle, semicircle.
Yeah. So what are longitudes now? Who will say me?
Ma'am, vertical imaginary lines on the Earth's surface.
Yes, very good. You remember I taught you in the fifth class also. Yes, very good. And what are latitudes?
Ma'am, latitudes, it is horizontal line on the Earth's surface.
Very good, very good. And how many latitudes and how many longitudes are there?
Latitudes are 181 and longitudes are 360.
Very good. And distance is from latitude, one latitude to the
What, ma'am?
distance કેટલું હોય between the latitudes?
Between the latitude, uh, I don't know.
No one knows?
No, ma'am.
One, see, यहीं पे करवाया मैंने 111 kilometers on the ground.
Ma'am, 100 kilometer answer.
111 kilometers,
111.
right? So
Yes.
we are going to learn now some important latitudes. Okay, ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Read Nakbir आगे बस.
Okay, ma'am. Notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the Earth's surface. It is equator. The equator divides the Earth into two equal parts. The portion above equator is called northern hemisphere, and the portion towards the south of equator is called southern hemisphere. The latitudes in its north are called northern latitudes, and those towards the south are called southern latitudes. So southern latitudes, 23.5 degree, and latitude in the northern hemisphere is called Tropic of Cancer, while 23.5 degrees Celsius latitude in the southern hemisphere is called Tropic of Capricorn. Similarly, 66.5 degree latitude in the north of equator is called Arctic Circle, and 66.5 latitude in the south of equator is called Antarctic Circle. The speed of the sun between Tropic of Cancer in the north and Tropic of Capricorn in the south of equator is called solstice. Therefore, the circles between these are called solstices. It takes 6 months for these speeds of the sun. Earth is tilted at corner at 23.5 degree. Thus, the sun rays fall almost straight between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn.
Very good. So notice that there is horizontal line. Okay, there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the Earth's surface. What is this line known as? It is known as equator. What it is known as, beta?
Equator.
Yes. Boys, what is it known as? Why only Nakira ki Basam is replying? Others are sleeping or what? Shafiq? Shafiq? Ahad?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why no one is replying?
मैं रीड करूंगा.
आप रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो मेरे शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस को?
क्या?
मेरे क्वेश्चंस तो रिप्लाई क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो? खाली नकवीर आगे बसन ही रिप्लाई कर रहा है।
मैम वो क्या था कि थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो गई।
ठीक है,
यहाँ
चलो।
पे लड़ाई चल रही है।
लड़ाई?
हाँ।
ओ, ओके ओके।
एम क्या रीड
तो
कर देखा है ये 2 मिनट ऊपर क्या रीड कर देखा है।
नहीं, अभी रीड नहीं करना है, अभी मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ, सुनो।
ये 2 मिनट ऊपर है।
Notice that notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the Earth's surface. And what is the center of the line called? It is called an equator. Okay? What it is called? It is called an equator. Okay? Now the equator divides Earth into two equal parts. What does the equator do? What does the equator do, beta?
Ma'am, it divided the earth into two parts.
Into two parts, right? Two equal parts. How many parts?
Two equal parts.
Equal બહુ important છે. નથી લાગી પસંદ?
Yes, ma'am.
એક એપલ છે તારી પાસે, ઓકે?
Yes, ma'am.
ઓકે? હવે તારી મારી સાથે શેર કરવું છે. કે શફીક સાથે શેર કરવું છે, ઓકે? તો તું
Yes,
શું
ma'am.
કરીશ?
मैम वो मैं एप्पल को काट दूंगा।
कहाँ से?
मैम सेंटर से बीच में से।
ओके? तो क्या होगा?
तो वो दो इक्वल इसमें बच जाएगा।
हाँ, वेरी गुड. तो ये जो तुम्हें इक्वल इधर जहाँ से आपने काटा एप्पल को, वो लाइन आपका इक्वेटर है. क्या है वो लाइन? क्या है आपका शफीक?
यस मैम।
वो लाइन कई છે જે મોહમ્મદ નસીર આગે બસને કાપ્યું એ?
सेंटर।
સેન્ટર પર. ઈ લાઈન ને આપણે અહીંયા ઇક્વેટર કહેશું. શું કહેશું?
इक्वेटर।
તો ઇક્વેટરે શું કર્યું? અર્થ ને ટુ ઇક્વલ પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઈડ કર્યો. પહેલો પાર્ટ છે નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયર અને બીજો પાર્ટ છે સધર્ન હેમિસ્ફિયર. ક્લિયર? અન્ડરસ્ટુડ? अंडरस्टूड?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
यस मैम।
यस. क्या किया शफीक ने? नसीर अली बसन ने क्या किया?
मैम
हाँ,
मुझे कुछ अब कहते हो।
हाँ. क्या किया? नफीर आगे बसन ने क्या किया?
मैम उसने आधा एप्पल कट कर दिया।
तो क्या हुआ?
इक्वेटर इक्वेटर तो दो हो गए, दो दो।
हाँ, तो क्या हुआ? टू पार्ट इक्वल पार्ट्स हुए.
यस।
हम्म.
यस।
हुए कि नहीं बेटा?
व्हाट मैम?
टू इक्वल पार्ट्स થયા કે નહીં?
यस। हाँ मैम।
હા. તો એ જ આપણું ઇક્વેટર શું કરે છે? અર્થને ટુ ઇક્વલ પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઈડ કરે છે. કોને ઇક્વલ પાર્ટ્સમાં ડિવાઈડ કરે છે?
अर्थ ने।
હા. ઓકે. પહેલું પાર્ટ કયું છે? નોર્ધન હેમિસ્ફિયર ઉપરનું, અને નીચેનું પાર્ટ કયું છે?
सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर।
હા, જો અહીંયા જોઈ શકાય છે ઇક્વેટર વચ્ચેથી કાપ્યું છે.
यस मैम।
તો ઉપરનું છે એ કયું આવશે?
नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर।
અને નીચેનું?
सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर।
વેરી ગુડ. સમજાણું? તો હવે અને ઇક્વેટર ઇઝ અ 0 ડિગ્રી લેટિટ્યુડ an imaginary line. Write down equator. Write down in your rough book.
यस मैम। बता।
The equator divides Earth into two equal parts. Written?
इक्वेट। यस मैम रिटर्न।
What you wrote?
मैम इक्वेटर divides the earth into the two parts.
Yes. equator is 0 degree latitude.
Mm.
Written? Boys, written?
Yes, babe.
Hmm. Now write down that the portion above the equator is called the northern hemisphere, and the portion towards the southern of equator is called southern hemisphere. Written, beta? Written or not? Boys, written?
What,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What did you read? What did you write? Read. बेटा रीड करो.
मैम मैरिज करो परिया ने शफीक.
हाँ शफीक करो.
तो मैम notice that there is a horizontal
ઓકે
line drawn.
શફીક એક મિનિટ હા કે લખ્યું નથી લખી નાખજો હો મેં જે પોઈન્ટ્સ કીધા એ then you have to show me your screen. Yes
What,
બેટા.
ma'am? What point? You have
equator.
3 points, no, ma'am, there.
हाँ you have to show me. Okay.
Latitude, longitude, and equator.
Yes. Yes बेटा continue शफीक.
Okay, ma'am. Notice that there is a horizontal line drawn in the center of the Earth's surface is in quarter equator. The equator divides Earth into two equal parts. The protein about equator is called
Portion.
northern hemisphere.
Protein नहीं portion.
Ocean portion about equator is called northern hemisphere, and the portion toward the south of equator is called southern hemisphere. Those uh, li- latitudes in its north and called northern latitudes, and those toward south are called southern latitudes. 23.5 northern latitude in the northern hemisphere is called trop of Cancer. Will
Topic of
20,
cancer.
Tropic of Cancer. We will
Will नहीं
23.5
while
southern,
while while.
while 23.5 southern liquid in the
Latitude.
latitudes in the southern hemisphere is called Tropic of Capricorn. Si- Similarly, what में ये क्या?
Similarly, okay, ये
Similarly,
है 66.5 degree latitude. But
okay,
66.5 degree latitude, that I am not teaching you right now. Otherwise, you will forget everything. Okay. अभी
okay,
खाली latitudes, longitudes. Today's topic are what? Latitudes, longitudes,
longitude
and 0 degree equator. What are
0 degree.
there?
Okay, ma'am.
Latitude,
Latitudes, longitudes, 0 degree,
हाँ, latitudes, longitudes, and what all we saw?
0 degree,
Hmm,
longe,
0 degree equator.
equator, sorry. 0
Simple
degree
as
is
that.
equator. देखो latitudes, longitudes, 0 degree equator.
Very good. Latitudes, longitudes, and 0 degree